Components of the Photoshop window. The main components of the Photoshop window are shown here. Menu bar. It provides quick access to the features, tools, and commands in Photoshop. Options bar. It is context specific. That is, it provides different options for the currently selected tool. Title tab. This tab displays the name of the file that currently being worked upon. Toolbox. It provides various tools to edit images. When the mouse pointer is hovered over a tool, Adobe Photoshop displays a short clip about the working of that tool. Some of the tools also have a small arrow at the bottom right corner, which means these tools have different options. Panel. It grants more detailed control over a tool by providing different options and settings. Panel is organized into tabs, and they have their own menu and options. Workspace. It is an area where we can view and edit an image. We can also open multiple images in the workspace. Canvas. It is the white space where you can place your image to work on. Any object placed outside of the canvas won't appear in the final result after exporting or printing.